Welcome to Uncle Daddy's Soul Food. Big Boss CEO, Uncle Daddy here. If you're looking for more helpful, easy soul food recipes, do yourself a favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. In today's edition of Burning Down the Kitchen, we're going to whip up some fresh fried tilapia, some home fries, and some scrambled eggs. Let's get started. For this tasting, we need the following ingredients. We have fresh tilapia. We have our onions and green peppers for our home fries. We have our baked potato. We have 2 large eggs. We have cooking oil. Our salt, pepper, Old Bay seasoning for the tilapia, garlic salt, and my personal favorite, Louisiana fish fries. Very simple list of ingredients. Let's prep them and get started. Okay, we got our pan ready to go. Just enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. It's set on number 3.5. I got my fresh tilapia all battered up and ready to go. We got the eggs whipped up. We're going to start with the potatoes. They take the longest. I've diced them up into cubes, dried them off. We're just going to lay them here in this grease. Let's get this party started. Okay, now that we have our home fries browning nicely, we're going to go ahead and add our onions and green peppers. Yes, sir. So we're going to let that cook down for maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, for anybody who likes home fries or fried potatoes, you know what it is. It smells amazing in here. We got the potatoes soft. The green peppers and onions are sauteed. We're going to hit it with a little salt and pepper. And a little paprika. Just a little teeny bit. We're going to stir that all up again. Wow. Smells amazing. We're going to let that rock for another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, we got the grease nice and hot. We're going to go ahead and drop this fresh tilapia fillet directly in the grease. That's the sound we want to hear. We're going to cook it 3 to 5 minutes per side. Okay, after 5 minutes, we're going to flip this bad boy over. Okay, our Southern Fried Tilapia is finished. We're going to move this over to the next burner. And we're going to start on the scrambled eggs. Okay, we got a little butter in the pan. Go ahead and dump the whipped scrambled eggs up in here. It's only going to take a minute or two. Okay, we almost have the scrambled eggs done here with the Southern Fried Tilapia, the home fries with the onions and green peppers. If you can only imagine what it smells like in this house. Okay, we have our scrambled eggs done. We're going to set these aside and we're going to plate. That does it for this edition of Burning Down the Kitchen. We have our Southern Fried Tilapia, scrambled eggs, and homemade fries. Time to eat. If you're looking for quality kitchen equipment or equipment for your YouTube channel, please research the links that we provide in the video description box below and we'll hook you up. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may receive a tiny percentage if you make a purchase. If you have any questions or concerns or comments about this recipe or any other Uncle Daddy Soul Food recipes, please leave them in the video description box below and we'll get back to you. I appreciate you hanging out with us until the end of this video. If you're looking for more authentic soul food recipes, do yourself a favor. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, this is Uncle Daddy Seafood, Big Boss CEO Uncle Daddy here. Until next time, deuces.